And hello, boys and girls. How are we doing today? And let's give out a big shout out to Jill Primal, who answered back on me. Yes, we're both farm boys and we know what we're doing, but a lot of suburban people and urban people don't know. Okay, and also I'm kind of tired tonight, so tonight we're going to do some fun stuff. So a lot of people have been asking, what's my EDC carry? And I look at them like, why should I tell you what's my EDC carry? Okay, I don't do that, but I do have fun. All right, and it's one of those nights where I can't go to sleep, and it's going to be one of those weird nights. Let's adjust the camera a little bit. And if you saw me, you probably throw your wallet. Okay, no, I'm not a bandito. It's Uncle Al or Diebulfrog79. Please hit like, subscribe. Hello to all my people in UK who watch me. Hi, everybody. And tell your friends about Diebulfrog79. Okay, enough with the mask. This is usually what I carry. I have a bandana with me folded up in my pocket, around my neck, underneath my hat, as a hat, excuse me. I still got that frog in my throat. Tonight's subject is pocket litter. Stuff that we carry in our pockets or everyday carry. I don't go with a fancy title of EDC. I just call it pocket litter. I can't say the word because I might get censored by YouTube. So it's a lot of stuff I carry sometimes. And most of the times I have matches. These are strike anywhere. I have a striker right there, if you can kind of see it. Okay, and I have another one inside covered in paper, so it won't set off all these. You don't want these to explode. Okay. I can't think you could see this. Can you see this? Camera's not that good. But this is, let's see what it says. It's a soap box that I converted as a little pocket first aid kit. I hate buying those damn things at the drugstore that says pocket first aid kit, but they don't really do anything. Well, this one is my own little soap box first aid kit. Assorted bandages, antibiotics, pain reliever, gauze tape, something to clean the wound. I think I have a roll up. Let's find out what I put in here. Uncle Al mix these things and you can see it. Makes these things and generally puts a general label, and I forget all about it. Nice thing about these soap boxes is you put a little electrical tape to keep them watertight. This one was dunked a couple of times this month because I like to fish. It's a great little kit to go fishing. Let's see what's inside. Wow. Okay. It's a soap box lid. And we got some wet ones. We have some bandage tape. We have Neosporin. I wonder if you could see that. Crappy camera. Sorry about that, folks. Doesn't hook too well. Let me pull it. Can you see that? Yeah, Neosporin. Okay. Some Tylenol. Oops, there goes my handkerchief. Some aspirin. Alcohol swabs. I love these little bottles of Visine. If you can see that. When I can't focus too well. These little Visine. If you got something in your eye and want to clean it out, this is the one. I think it's 1 inch or 2 inch. I think it's 2 inch. It's gauze tape. Wrap things up. And I got assorted bandages. These are more sterile gauze pads. This one is a 3x3 gauze pad. In case you get somebody with something in their eye, clean it out with a Vicine and you can tape them up fairly well. And I got a bunch of little bandages, you know, cut scrapes, stuff like that. But I keep telling people you always want to have one of these in your first aid kit. 3x5 pads. Oops. I got a sticky part on there. And you build your kit around that. Fairly easy, fairly simple, not too hard. Won't drive you nuts. Won't kill you on the budget. Most of the stuff I picked up at my nephew's office, and the other parts is I picked up at the dollar store or drugstore. It's just bits and crap and stuff. Just little things, you know, here and there. You just gotta have a little. Oh, I know what you're doing, and that's about it. Wow, I thought this was going to be longer than that, so I have to be careful. Or you're in like 6 minutes for something simple like this. Ooh, that's kind of weird. Well, we'll just put that off to the side. Okay. And remember, you can do a whole bunch of things with a handkerchief. If necessary, you can put a rock in and hit somebody over the head. Don't do that, boys and girls. Uncle Alan gets trouble. And Uncle Alan always carries a knife. And this one is a snap link. I use this, it's a loose base, ring, snap, plastic. And I have one of these around always. It's razor sharp, easy to use, and it's lock blade. So if I have to remove somebody's kidney, I'm not going to be waving it around. I'll be back at him, you know. So remember, kids, don't do that. All right? This is Uncle Alan. He's old and he's nuts. But that's one of the things I could do. And let's see. Let's take that off. Make sure the lights. So anyway, this is basically something simple that I always carry. And people are asking me, why do you carry all this stuff? And just daily carry. Okay. You have the snap link. I always tell people carry one of these. And they look at me, why should we carry a snap link? Well, this combined with paracord, this is about a yard's length. If you have somebody's lost pet, dog, cat, they're on a leash, collar has a leash hook. What are you going to do? Hold the dog and you can tie them up. Fairly easy. You know, a lot of people like, but I never carry paracord. Like, you have those stupid bracelets. And this is about a yard's length. Okay, a paracord. And you hook that up to the snap link and you can take the dog home. Now, do a lot of people think like that? No. It's old crazy old Uncle Al. But he has weird stuff. This is my other favorite right here. It's a little pocket survival kit if I go out in the woods, someplace not really nice, out in the woods. And basically I have a thick rubber band. I can put this on slice it, put it on a stick, and make, guess what? A slingshot. And I can take down birds with it. So if you think just a big wide rubber band's kind of goofy looking, this is another soapbox. Let's move that around. Okay. This is my little bag of emergency prescription medication. Put that one right there. If I can't see if you can see this. Inside the lid, I taped safety pins, 2 sewing needles, and a razor blade. Okay, save space. I use these little dime bags. In the old days, you could sell marijuana and stuff in it, but nowadays I keep bandages in it. Let's see. Bit of snare wire, some aluminum foil. I think that's note paper, some note paper, another little bag, and a P38. I can't see if you can see that. P38. Oh, I have a lighter. Yeah, it still works. Okay. On a sewing bobbin, I have whatchamacallit, fishing line to catch a trout. And here's another bobbin. These are sewing machine bobbins. They're like little spools that work inside the sewing machine. So they cost like, I think 3 for a pack, about $1. You get at craft stores or sewing stores. It's really easy to pick up, and you can hold a lot of fishing line. Let's see what I got. Oh, I got one of these. I forget what the hell they call these things. It's a Letterman PS4 squirt. It's like a tiny little whatchamacallit, pliers, and it has all the tools on the side. Let's see, right there. Yeah, right there. Yeah, it's really small. It's kind of neat. Right in there. Let's see. I have a sewing kit, some fishing line, and a little tiny. Oh, what the hell is that? I have a little tiny mirror, some pants buttons, and some fish hooks. Sewing kit, fish hooks, little tiny mirror, weighted line, all sorts of stuff, and some more needles. I think this is money. I have 2 quarters and a $10 bill. I could buy lunch or call a cab. I don't know what. Now, let's see. I have a real tiny pencil, a little bit of nylon cord, 2 Q-tips, some strike anywhere matches, and let's see, part of a star match. Long Island's little nuts, keeps weird stuff. Old police rape whistle. Oh, I really like these. I got this in a Mexican restaurant, Fruitville. You gotta try it. When you're diabetic, you need a sugar rush. This works. It's not really a survival kit, just stuff I keep around on me. And just pocket junk. A bouillon cube, hot water and bouillon. It'll pick me up. I have this. I don't know if it works anymore. Oh, it still does. And it's a high-powered little flashlight. And a pair of tweezers for splinters, getting out weird things, picking up stuff really small. Don't forget KFC, the wet wipes. I know Jewish redneck prepper. He always liked picking up condiments and little napkins. I like these little wet wipes to clean up. Yeah, let's see. Oh. Now, if you guys haven't seen one of these, I think you can read it or not. I can't tell. It's a wallet magnifying Frenzel lens. Can you see that? Uncle Alan's nearly blind in one eye, so I use this to, like my regular, used to carry a whole bunch of these. I can't get it out, but I can magnify it fairly good or start a fire, whatever, if I have to pull it out. And basically that's all I carry in that little kit. I hope you guys are interested in this stuff. Somebody asks me what I carry sometimes, and I have more other gadgets and gizmos and stuff, and people kind of look at me like I'm a little strange, but I have all this stuff, so I don't have to worry. So you kids have a nice night, and the people in UK, catch you later. This is Uncle On, and you have a good night.